Hi, so this is just a note on how I install the front and back dash cam. I got the 70 my V400 front and back, so I'm installing on the installed on the Saga. I didn't make a video how I installed because I have no idea how. This is all trial and error, but I found this method. But I've been using this method for my Toyotas and Perodua, so bottom is fine also. So as you can see, like normal, route here, snug, open this pillar, then you put the cable in all the way here, then you route it here. This is the power cable. I tie it here at this thing, then it goes to the USB. Then this is for the back one. Don't think you can see lah, but route it here. I follow the cables to the back. Here I saw underneath here. Then for this part, I just put it inside. I snug it in all the way there. But I did took out this part. This is for here. This is for here. I took it out. Then snug. The cable is here. I took it out here. In order to take this out, you have to take out 2 screws underneath the seat, which is kind of useful. That Proton put a tie here. What's it called? Like you pull this thing and then the seat will come out. So anyways, snug the cable here, snug it in here, all the way here, and then the pillow here, then goes there. But like everything, it doesn't go as planned for some reason, because when you buy this 70 my things, you get a sticker that you had to paste it on the windshield. For some reason, the sticker doesn't work. It's not strong. Like at first I thought it's stuck on the glass. Then when I stuck on the camera and when I let it test, it just dropped, just jatuh. And that's when I found out the sticker is not strong, it doesn't work. So I have no idea how to fix this. Maybe I have to go call them. So now it's just temporarily on cellophane tapes. And that's it. Like that. It's a bit, if you are not used to cars, then it's a bit tricky. But if you're used to car, it's very easy. Okay, bye.